Hi, I'm Michelle Whitecotton with Markham Realty, and today is a gorgeous day to be taking a look at 442 Preston Road in Richards, Texas. This is a 2013 custom-built home, 3,400 plus square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath on 12 fenced acres. Come on in and let's take a look. Everyone in the family will love this magazine-worthy kitchen, from the granite countertops to the gas range to the solid oak cabinets and all the extra storage. This kitchen is one for everyone. It's also very open as we move in here to the family room, spacious family room with gorgeous views outside these windows that are full length. You'll want to spend your days relaxing in front of these windows and enjoying your time with special ones. Guys, I've saved the best part for last. This outdoor living area is the perfect spot for entertaining all your guests. Whether it's in the summertime or the winter, you've got this gorgeous stone fireplace. You've got all the oak ceilings and the cedar beams. This house has it all. And to top it off, it's 20 minutes from Huntsville, 20 minutes from Montgomery, and a short 30-minute drive to College Station. So give our office a call today to schedule your private showing.